differentiation. That is x. Yesterday we told us what displacement. If I add d to it, dx, which means very small displacement. So what is the purpose of this displacement, or what is the purpose of differentiation? First thing is we should identify what is the purpose. Purpose is to find the surface area of very small objects. Very small objects. Okay, fine. For example, area of a circle. I'm just taking a area of a circle. We all know what is area of circle, pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. But what about this area of this? This is an irregular surface, correct? This is an irregular surface, just like our pond, correct? And maybe the electron shape or the proton or neutron shape won't be circular, correct? It have lot of shape. I think till now in chemistry I learned about orbits and orbitals, correct? They are circular in shape. But once I'm taking you chemistry in class 11, you will know that the K shell, the L shell, the M, and all these shells are not in circular shape. This has got something called dumbbell shape also. How do we find the surface area of these objects? By using differentiation. For very small objects, we use what? To find the surface area, we use differentiation. Okay, so this is what first thing we have to understand why we are studying this. Now we understood the purpose, correct? Now I will teach you how to find the differentiation of the thing. Okay, so today's class, you'll be learning all the basics to do and understand any of the physics topics in class 11th. Any, I'm using the word any topic. Any chapter you will be able to do it. Any derivations you'll be able to do it. Okay, so I request you what? Kindly pay attention for the next just 10 minutes. That's it. 10 minutes. Okay. Me or to make questions. This is nx power n minus 1. I want both of you to make questions and send it to me. On this. Okay. If you don't know how to make questions, I'll teach you that also. The object, please listen here. The objective of making question is what? Okay. For you to understand. For you to understand. So before making down the question, what is the first step? I want you to understand this thing. D by dx of x power 5. I am only taking x power 5 or something like that. Why? Then you have to use formula used. What is the formula used? D by dx of x power n is nx power n minus 1. So what is this thing n here? 5. 5x power 5 minus 1. 5x power 4. That's it. Are you guys clear up to this? So please copy down this thing. So only thing which I want to tell you is, if you want to make question, just see from how you started. Okay, how you started. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, correct? We didn't go from 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. We started from the basic stuff. That is the reason I wrote here x square, correct? X cube. Yes, or x square, then x cube, x power 4, x power 5. The idea for making question is for us to remember. Is it clear for both of you? Please copy down the same. Is it clear for both of you? That is my question. Yeah. You're done, I know. Are you clear for both of you? I'm not worried about this thing. Okay. I want, yeah, this to be clear. Karthik, what about you? Yeah, perfect. So you understood now the thing is making questions, right? Making questions, x power 5 is there. Correct. What I told you, put the same 5 here. Then subtract one number here, x power 4. So for another important learning for you is making question means you have to know the answer. We don't give complex questions. We don't make complex question. We don't make something like 100 d by dx of x power 6. No, we don't do that in the beginning. I can do it. Okay. If you want me to do this answer, I will do it for you. 100, I'll keep it like that. Differentiation of x power x is what? 5x power. Is it 5? I told you put the same number here. So 6x power 5. But currently for you, this is not required as of now. Up to this, you're clear? I think yes. So next thing what I'm going to teach you is integration. Okay. One simple formula, integral. This symbol is called integral symbol. Okay, integral symbol, line integral. It's a line, x power n dot dx. Integral will be always with dx. Integral meaning always dx. This is another formula. It is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is one more formula for us. Clear or not? This is one more formula for us. How to make the question? Same thing. Integral of x square dot dx. What I will do? First thing is what? Integral of x power 2 plus 1. N is what? 2. 2 plus 1. So that time you don't need to put the symbol. This symbol you can just erase it off. Because we're already doing the integration thing by 2 plus 1. There is a thing but x power 3 by 3. Once we are doing the integration thing, no need to put this symbol. This symbol not required. We just apply this formula. That's all. X cube by 3. Okay. One more example I'll do it for you. It is integral of x power 3 dot dx. You write down the formula. Formula uses which one? Integral of the same formula. Write down. Then it is what? X power. What is the n? 3. X power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. So this is x power 4 by 4. So please copy down this thing. Once done, let me know the same. Because 2 more minutes, the class is done. The important thing is done in just 2 more minutes. Once you say you copy down this thing, 2 more minutes you have to listen, that's it. You will be 100% pakka in this integration differentiation. Now the most important thing is, what is the relationship between integration differentiation? Correct. Suppose I'm taking the same example, d by dx of x square. What is it? Already we have done it. That is nx power n minus 1. Use the formula. D by dx of x power n is nx power n minus 1. Correct? So, what is it we are getting? N is 2 here. N is 2 here. So, d by dx of x square, that is 2x power 2 minus 1. 2x itself. Correct? Now, if I'm integrating this thing, if I'm integrating this answer, I'm writing down words because I want you to remember it. If I'm integrating this answer, what will I get? Integral of answer is 2x dot dx. Correct? We are integrating with respect to x. Again, I'm writing it in words so that you will understand these things. We are integrating with respect to WRT, with respect to x, which means 2 is constant, which means 2 is constant. Okay. Now, if it is constant, I will take it outside the bracket or outside this symbol. Now it will become 2 integral x dot dx. What is x meaning? X power 1. Correct? And what is our integration formula? Integration formula is integral of x power n dot dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. What is our n value here? N value is 1. So what will be the answer? X power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Correct? Do not forget about this 2. So 2 into this thing. So it will become what? 2 into x square by 2. Correct? Now cut the two parts. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. What is answer you're getting? You're getting the answer as x square itself. So what is this x square? This is same as what? This x square is same as of this thing. Correct? So you're getting the same question. Differentiation and integration answer, what you're getting? Same. So which means I can clearly write down where in the beginning. Correct? Here I can write down. Integration is the reverse of differentiation. Integration is the reverse of differentiation. Integration is the reverse of differentiation. Clear? Or the vice versa. Or the vice versa. This is the most important thing which I have to teach you in today's session. Please copy down this thing first. Okay. So I try to explain the most simplest manner so that even the LKG students can understand it. Okay. Please copy it down. Then if you have got doubt, let me know. Once you copy it down, let me know the same. So if both are done, let me know the same. Rishabh is done. What about Karthik? Yeah. So guys, any doubt up to this? Did you understood this thing clearly, both of you? Did you understand or anything? Any difficulty in this? Did you guys understand what is differentiation relationship? Clear to both of you? Perfect. Now the next question for us is how we are going to use this in what? Physics, correct? Next thing is how do we use this in physics? How do we use this concept in physics? Correct. For example, integration is dx. Integral dx is integration. Differentiation means what? D by dx. Correct. And we know one more term called dx. Correct. Dx meaning a very, very small term to find the surface area. Correct. I already told you in the beginning about a pond. How to find the surface area of a pond. This is a pond. How to find the surface? Pond is irregular shape. Correct. How to find the surface area? By using this integration differentiation, which means I will just put a dot mark on this. I'll just put a dot mark on this pond. That is a dx part, which means I'll just take a very small part of dx. Okay, then I try to integrate. If I try to integrate in the sense, I will get what? The full area of the pond. So what I'll do, I'll just put a dot mark on this. Why I'm telling you about the pond? Because I'm not telling you about electron or anything. Because what is our main objective of the class? For you to remember. Correct? Yes or no? Numbers, words, variables, and diagrams. I am putting in diagrammatic point of view. Then realistic things. What we see. We are all seen a pond. Correct? We are not seen electron or proton, neutron. Okay. The end of the class idea is to make sure that what you have to remember these things after the class. That's it. If I'm able to make that impact, then I'm successful. That's all. Okay. So I'll just take a small dot of this particular pond. Correct? Again, kindly blindly follow what I'm saying. Do not think any other thing. Okay. Don't think anything. I will tell you what to think and what not to. And if you have got doubts, I'll ask from your point of view. Okay. So we just dx. This is a dx length. Very, 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 very small length. I'm just putting a dot on a 2-kilometer pond. So which means a dot means what? It's not even centimeter. It's just maybe micro or whatever, less than that. Okay. Fine. Or millimeter we can say 10 power minus 3 meters. Whatever it is. I'm just putting a dot on this. Then what happens? Then you need to find the full area of the pond. In order to find the full area of the pond, I use integration. Then again, you should ask me, how does we use this concept in physics? You got lot of chapters like work, energy, and power in physics. Work, energy, and power. We all know what is work. Suppose one chair is here lying down. One chair is here. If I want to move the chair, what I'll do? I'll pick up and I will I will move the chair from one place to another. Correct? Correct. So I am applying some force and it is traveled to some distance or displacement. So what is work? Force into displacement. Correct. Now they will ask us, okay, how much work is required to move an electron from one point to another? Electron means around 10 power minus 19 or some other thing. Less, very, very, very small size. Correct. So for very, very, very small electron, we'll use what? Very, 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 very small work done. dW we will use work done. dW. Correct? Then to find the full work done, what will you do? We'll do integral of dW. This is the next thing I'm going to teach you. Integral of dW. So what is the formula I told for integration? Integral of x power n dot dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So we're integrating with respect to x. We are integrating. Again, I'm writing this so that you guys you guys won't forget. Okay. So you guys will remember and won't forget. We're integrating with respect to x. Now the $1,000,000 question is, what happens if there is no x? Integral of dx. Correct? Then we got 1 dot dx. Anything to the power 0. X power 0 is what? 1. 100 power 0 is what? 1. I have to only integrate with respect to x. So instead of this 1, what I'll put? I will put x power 0. Integral of x power 0 dot dx. Now I'll apply this thing. 0. N is 0. X power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1. So x power 1 by 1, that is nothing but x is the answer. So what I am inferring from this? Integral of dx answer is what? X itself. This is the learning which I want. This is the formula only in class 12th you will be getting. That too if you take max and they will teach you only this at the end of the examination. That's it. 2 or 3 months before the board exam they will take this. That's it. Integration thing. I am teaching you in the beginning because I want to make sure that you understand everything and get full marks and become number 1 in the school. Simple as that. Whatever schools you join. That's it. Now, why I'm doing this? If integral dx is equal to x, what is integral dw answer? Integral dw is equal to w. That's it. Integral dw is equal to w. What is w? The total work done. Integral dw is what? Small work done. So now are you guys clear with this concept? Is both of you clear? Very good. Please copy it down. Yeah. So thank you guys. Okay. For spending your energy and time. This is the most important thing in today's session. If you understand this, I'm very happy. That's it. Done. Yeah. So